Hello everyone, today I'm going to build this one 75002 ATRT. So here is the front of the box, and let me show you the back. Okay, let's get started to build this one. Okay, finish. Okay, let me show you the minifigure first. So here the first one, the Yoda. And the next one is the 501 Con Trooper. Let me show you the face. Then the next one is the droid captain. This one had the silk screen on his face and one red dot on his body. And this one is not minifigure, but is the destroyer droid. Here I can move. Okay, and show you the ATRT. the leg can move. And here the shelf can be adjusted to make the shape you want. And here support is the gun. So for the ATRT, it's obvious it's a little bit scale. The scale is a little bit off. So you compare the minifigure, this is very huge. So the shopper needs to climb up to sit at here. So in the Star Wars movie, it's supposed to be much smaller scale than this one. But anyway, it's good for people to play with for the Lego. And I saw a lot of MOC for ATRT have the better scale, so maybe I can build one in the future. So anyway, I think this droid, the captain, is the very unique minifigure in this set. So far it's only exists in this set. And okay, today's video that's it. If you like my video, welcome to subscribe, like and comment. See you next time. Choo choo.